Good morning, children. Let's begin with this thought. Laughter is the best medicine. It means that when you are in a difficult situation, laughing can make it easier to get through that situation. Children, last time we have started lesson number 25, cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Today also we will continue the same lesson. Now see one question. Use the given chart and answer the following questions. Now children, see here one chart is given. Observe that chart carefully and based on this chart there are certain questions. Now in this chart first row is of cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers are given here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Second row is of ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are given first, second, third, fourth, and third row is of names Ram, Golu, Sonu and Mona. Now there are some questions based on this chart. Now we will see this. First question is who is at third position? Now see this chart. This is third position. Who is at third position? Sonu. Sonu is at third position. So answer is Sonu. Okay. Next question is at what position is Mona? Now where is Mona here? See, here is Mona. At what position is Mona? Mona is at fourth position. Okay. So here answer is fourth. Next question is who is at second position? Now see, this is second position. Who is at second position? Golu. Golu is at second position. So answer is Golu. Next question is at what is the position of Ram? Here see, here is Ram. What is the position of Ram? First. So position of Ram is first. So answer is first here. Okay. Now next one. See, these are the examples from your maths textbook, page number 44. Children, you have to solve these examples in textbook only. Okay. Now see this picture. Based on this picture, there are some questions. In the picture above, how many children are taking part in a running race? How many children are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are total 5 children. Okay, 5 is a cardinal number. Now next question is what was the Saurabh's rank in the race? Now see, here is Saurabh. What was the Saurabh's rank? Means you have to count position of Saurabh. Means you have to count ordinal numbers here. So first, second, third, fourth and fifth. So rank of Saurabh is fifth. So here fifth is an ordinal number. Now next question is who came first? Now who came first here? Nikhil. So answer is Nikhil. Okay. Then who was fourth? Here again first, second, third and fourth. So who is at fourth position? Shakil. So answer is Shakil. Children, you have to write these answers in textbook only. Now see next. Now here it is a bogie. Here is engine. Okay. And after engine there are some coaches. Okay. So we will give numbers to the coaches only. Okay. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like that we will give numbers to the coaches. Now in which carriage is the peacock? Now see, here is peacock. In which carriage? 1, 2, 3. So answer is 3. But we have to tell here the position. So it is third. Okay. Now who is in the first coach? Now this is the first coach. Okay. So who is in the first coach? Mouse. Answer is mouse. Then next question. In which bogie is the rabbit? Now here is rabbit. In which bogie? no need to count engine, count from this coach. Okay, so first and second. So in which bogie is the rabbit? Rabbit is at second bogie. Then next, who is in the seventh wagon? Seventh, one, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. Who is in the seventh wagon? It is cat. Then at which place is the lion's coach? Where is lion here? See, here is lion. At which place? First, second, third and fourth. So at fourth place. At which place is the coach next to that of camel? See, here is camel. Next to that of camel means this coach. This coach is at which position? First, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. It is at sixth position. Then next, what is the ordinal number of the carriage before the elephant's carriage? So here is elephant's carriage. So before elephant's carriage is the camel's coach. Now what is the ordinal number for camel? First, second, third, fourth and fifth. So answer is fifth. Now see these examples from maths textbook, page number 45. Again you have to solve it in textbook only. Now see, Sania is watering the flowering plants in the garden. Sania is watering these plants. Look at the picture above and write the proper words in the blank spaces. The first plant in the order from Sania is. So first plant in the order from Sania. So no need to count the Sania. This is first plant. First, second, third, fourth and fifth, like this. So first plant is rose. So here answer is rose. Then next, the jasmine is. Now what is the order of jasmine? Jasmine is first, second, third and fourth. So jasmine is fourth in the order from Sania. The next, total number of plants is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total number of plants is 5. Next question. Which is the fifth month in the English calendar from the start of the year? Now you have to count from January and tell the fifth month. Okay, so January, February, March, April and May. So May is the fifth month of English calendar. Then after that, counting from the start of Indian calendar year, which is the 8th month. Now Indian calendar means solar calendar from Chaitra. So start from Chaitra and tell the 8th month. So it is Kartik. 8th month of Indian calendar is Kartik. Write these answers in textbook only. Now next, write the cardinal number. Here you have to observe this figure and write the cardinal number. How many purple fish are there in the tank? Now here is tank. You have to count the number of purple fish. So see here, there is only one purple fish. So answer is 1. Then next, how many red fish? How many red fish? 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are total 4 red fish. How many yellow fish? So now count the yellow. 1, 2 and 3. So here answer is 3. Children, solve these examples from textbook in textbook only. For writing material, I will send you a PDF. Okay. Now, today we stop here. In the next period, we will see next lesson. Till then, happy learning.